Well, take a white frame and then take a rectangle and match the size of the frame. Make it black and that with that square shape, take this square shape and add a gradient to it. You can see that I'm checking different colors, seeing which one looks good or something like that, and well, copy and paste it multiple times. There are some, let's see, well, in this video you might see me uh, testing different times, changing colors, changing places, positions, deleting, adding shapes, this and that. You might see me doing different things to see what looks good or something. uh, you can try it on your own, change things as it would look good. You could see me that I have instead of taking the circle, I just rounded the corner of the squares. You can avoid that because that can cause a bit of a problem. You can see when I expand it, it becomes a bit squarish, right? If you take a circle, that shouldn't happen. Anyway, I tried different things, you could say, right? And hmm, so you can see some circles, square, and now there is a triangle. It also has a gradient. Change the gradient's color, position, etc., and see which one looks good. The square is green, the triangle is what, pink and purple or something. um well, on the, yeah, you can see me changing the circle's color. I'm giving it orange, but it doesn't look that good, right? So uh, it might be subjective to what you consider looking good, but I changed the color and is hmm, it is something like blue and purple or whatever. You can add whichever the color you like. I have only used three simple shapes here in this place. You can see a square, triangle, circle. This is all I used. This is all the shapes, and remove the back. I could have just hidden it. I shouldn't have moved the whole thing, right? Anyway, I just did the corners. Mistakes happen, right? And this what should I call it? Let's just call it a random rectangle. I added it and I wanted it to have a glass effect. I used a gradient, right? And but you could just change this opacity or something instead of adding two gradients of the same color and opacity. That would be pointless, right? I added the text, made it thin, and gave the text gap 9%, I guess. I aligned them later on with those things at the right top corner. You can see that alignment different types of alignments are over there. There's also one to equalize the gap in between those things. You can change the text as it would fit, like I did, I suppose. Well, I'm not sure if it fits completely. Maybe there are better things than that, but this is what I used here. I think it wasn't thin, it was something extra light. Yeah, it was extra light text, not thin. I think I used it thin at first, then changed it to extra light, centering the text. And yeah, this is the black version of it. Yeah, the background, the glass like panels, rectangles, whatever, text. And when I remove that, you can see the text are also white, so that need to be changed, right? Then the black text, and yeah, that is all right. Yeah. Glassy effect, background with some simple shapes and gradients maybe. And this is it, maybe. You can try your own things.